Okay, let me teach you how to use proxy on our email extractor. This is my Luna proxy. This is the proxy service where I buy proxy. So their cheap is their price is cheap. So what you have to do, I mean, this is pay as you go, just because it's for scrapping. Pay as you go. This is the service I'm into. So this is the service I order. I'm buying. If you click it, if you click order, it's going to show you how many gig do you want. You can drag and drop, and now you can see the price changes here depending on the gig you want. I'm a big fan of I just 5 gig. I'm using 5 gig. When I finish my 5 gig, I buy another IP, proxy IP. So next step, once you buy it, go ahead. When you click buy, you can buy with credit card. Once I click this confirm, continue, they accept any type of payment here. You can see they accept credit card. I'm using my debit card from Accru. That's a visual card I create online. You can do crypto. They accept crypto, TRC, Tron, BTC, Litecoin, any kind of payment you want. You can do here. And you see another paper. You can do paper credit card if you have paper. So depending on where you're there. Local payment. They accept local payment here. This is their local payment. They also accept bank transfer, but this their bank transfer is not for local, especially if you're in Nigeria. This is a foreign bank transfer. So the two options for you is a credit card and crypto. So if you don't have a crypto, you don't have credit card, then maybe use Accru. I'm using Accru to buy some things online. I have visual card from Accru. So after you buy, you're going to come to this dynamic residential. This is a dynamic residential. This is where you locate your host, your IP, which is this user setting. So if you click this residential, you can really use here. I don't want to dive about the user. Just go to white label, drag this and drop to any limit of proxy you want to use to extract email. The less, the more you keep your gig. If you keep burning it, then you can finish your gig early, within even before ending of the month. So the limit you use IP, the limit they charge you are in pay as you go. Now you have to click generate IP. Now I have generated IP. This is my IP link. This is my IP link. This is it. So to open it or see all the IP, just open it, click open. And before you generate your IP link, this is the IP. Before you generate this IP link, make sure you already open Notepad where to transfer it, because it has a few minutes to expire before using it. If you not use it before minute, I'm going to show you how to set up that minute in a second, but I want to load it on my extractor now. I go to my extractor and enable proxy. So to clear this old one, just right click in this center to clear this old list. That is if you have any list here. So all it take you just to click cancel. This clear. You can just right click here, then you can do clear. Now you clear it, right click again to import. You can now import your TXT file, that notepad you save, that TXT file. So click it to find it on your computer. We're going to find it on our computer. All I have to do just to find the notepad that I transfer my proxy, and click open, and immediately it's going to import. Then click start, because we need to validate this IP to know if it's valid or failed, if the IP is still working. Once you click start, it's going to automatically start verifying. You can see okay. So they are okay. If they are not okay, it's going to show you fail, and you're going to see it in a second. Just give it a moment. Is the extractor is extracting your IP, validating it to make sure that all is good. So now you are cool. Just click stop. When you click stop, just click remove fail. Just make sure click after you validate. After you validate, click stop and remove failed. Okay. And when you remove failed, then go ahead and click save. Successful. Okay. Then close it. Just close it. Now we have loaded our IP, so all I have to do is select social media platform where I want to extract email from, then load my keyword, see you, and click start. So our email extractor have started extracting your email using your proxy on your social media platforms. So you choose, see Facebook. Yeah, because we choose Facebook first, LinkedIn second, Instagram third, YouTube. So with this proxy, you can extract 50,000 email within 30 minutes or per hour. Depends on the keyword. The first of this is depend on the keyword you load. If you load multiple keyword here, the better for you when you're using proxy. When you use proxy, don't just depend on one keyword to get you 50,000 message. You have to load a lot of keywords. So this whitelist, make sure you use it economy. Don't go and screw everything 5,000 or whatever. To if you burn out your gig can finish anytime. Once you just generate, once you choose the kind of how many IP you want, you can select country you want to target. You can choose rotation or sticky. Let me show you what this means. Okay, if I'm targeting Belgium, I'm going to find Belgium or India, Japan, South Korea. I can use their IP. If you leave it in global, I mean that you have to use all the countries' IP to be scrapping data. So, but here you can find all the countries that you need to use to add the IP to scrap data. Especially this work perfectly when you're targeting specific country. So when you finish, click this rotation here. This is session type. This session type you can choose sticky because sticky will last more than 10 minutes. If you choose this sticky, if you read this note here, they're going to tell you that sticky IP lasts more than 10 minutes before expire. So if you do not use it after 10 minutes, it is going to expire. If you leave it in rotation, it's going to keep getting you fresh IP every 10 minutes. So that is it, and that's all you have to know about Luna. So using, I'll show you how to generate your traffic.